Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, Android Studio and a compatible JDK. Open Android Studio and go straight to Settings, then Android SDK to avoid wasted steps. In the SDK tab, select the SDK platforms you need and the SDK tools like Platform Tools and Build Tools. You do this now so packages download in the correct location. Once selected, click Apply to start downloading. Make sure your internet and disk space are sufficient. Downloading multiple API levels can take time. Once downloads begin, monitor progress in the SDK Manager and let installations finish fully before moving on. After install, configure environment variables. Set Android Home to the SDK path and add platform tools to path so command line tools work. On Windows, use System Properties. On Mac OS/Linux update bashrc or zshrc. Then verify installation with SDK Manager list and run a DB devices to confirm platform tools respond. If Android Studio prompts to update Gradle or plugins, approve those steps so projects build correctly. Finalize by opening project structure and selecting the installed SDK for your modules, then sync Gradle and rebuild the project to confirm everything works. If you see missing packages, return to SDK Manager and install the specific platform or build tools version. One key troubleshooting tip: if commands like a DB or SDK Manager say not found, recheck path and Android Home values and file permissions. Restarting Android Studio or your machine often resolves lingering environment updates. If a build fails, review the Gradle console for the exact missing component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.